ISO 8601 is a standard way of representing a date as a week number and a day of the week. According to this ISO standard, all 52 or 53 weeks of the year receive a number, with days of the week numbered 1 through 7, beginning with Monday. The week number is represented by the letter W followed by the week number, and the day of the week. By including the week number in addition to the year and day of the week, it is easier to compare dates across different years and to calculate the number of weeks between two dates. The terminal date command is used to display the current date and time. The %V format specifier is used to display the ISO week number of the year. The terminal cal command is used to display a calendar for a specified month and year. The W option is used to add to the calendar the ISO week number in the first column, and the M option is used to display the calendar with Monday as the first day of the week. The datetime module in Python standard library includes utilities for working with ISO 8601 formatted dates and times. This code example shows how to print a tuple containing the ISO calendar year, week number, and weekday for the current date with Python. In this second example, the from ISO format method is used to parse a string into a date object. If the string typed by the user is not in the correct ISO format, a value error exception is raised, which is caught by the except block. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the description for more information.